PD Audio SPS 100.4 sets a new standard for modern AC to DC power supplies. With up to 16 volts and 100 amps of power, this beast meets the needs of any mobile install, test bench, or in-store display it may encounter. For more demanding systems, up to 4 units can be linked together to provide enough power for 6,000 watts of amplification. Equipped with current sensing and pulse charging technologies, the SPS 100.4 seamlessly integrates with your existing charging system via odd-gauge output terminals. With its sleek amplifier-styled chassis, the SPS 100.4 beckons to be displayed rather than hidden like traditional bulky power supplies. No matter what application it ends up in, the SPS 100.4 is sure to provide you with the power you need when you need it.